Hi fellow crocheters! For today we are going to crochet a hat out of raffia yarn. First we have to gather the materials. Prepare 2 skein of raffia yarn, 3mm hook, crochet needle and scissors. To start with the first round of the crown tip, increase the thickness of the yarn by creating a large loop. Then make a magic ring and start with a single crochet followed by 2 chains. Then add 10 double crochets. The increase per round is 10 double crochets. Pull the yarn and slip stitch end of round 1. From second round to round 12, always starts with chain 3 followed by 2 double crochets. This round has 2 double crochets on each stitch, a total of 20 stitches, not including the chains. Slip stitch end of round 2. In this round, alternate 2 double crochets on the same stitch and 1 double crochet on the next stitch. Repeat process to complete round 3. Slip stitch end of round 3. Chain 3 followed by 2 double crochets on the same stitch and 1 double crochet on the next 2 stitches. Repeat process to complete round 4. Slip stitch end of round 4. Chain 3, then 2 double crochet on the same stitch, followed by 1 double crochet on the next 3 stitches. Repeat process to complete round 5. Slip stitch end of round 5. Again, chain 3, then 2 double crochets on the same stitch, followed by 1 double crochet on the next 4 stitches. Repeat process to complete round 6. Slip stitch end of round 6. Chain 3, then 2 double crochets on the same stitch, followed by 1 double crochet on the next 5 stitches. Repeat process to complete round 7. Slip stitch end of round 7. In this round, there's 1 double crochet on each 6 stitch, after 2 double crochets on the same stitch. This round has 1 double crochet on each 7 stitch, after 2 double crochets on the same stitch. Round 10 has 1 double crochet on each 8 stitch, after 2 double crochets on the same stitch. This round has 1 double crochet on each 9 stitch, after 2 double crochets on the same stitch. Round 12 has 1 double crochet on each 10 stitch after 2 double crochets on the same stitch. For 13th round, just 1 double crochet for each stitch. Slip stitch end of round. To start with the crown, chain 3 followed by 2 double crochets on the first stitch, then skip 2 stitches and begin 3 double crochets on the same stitch. Repeat process and always end the round with a slip stitch. There is a total of 7 rounds for the crown. For the brim of the hat, start with chain 3, then 1 double crochet for each stitch. A slip stitch end of round 1. For second round, there's 1 double crochet for each 6 stitch after 2 double crochets on the same stitch. For third round, there's 1 double crochet for each 7 stitch after 2 double crochets on the same stitch. For round 4, there's 1 double crochet on each 8 stitch. 1 double crochet for each 9 stitch, and 1 double crochet for each 10 stitch. Repeat process and end rounds with a slip stitch. This round is same pattern with the crown. Again, chain 3, then 2 double crochets on the first stitch, skip 2 stitches, then begin 3 double crochets on the same stitch. Repeat process to complete round 7. To crochet the edge of the brim, start with chain 2, then 1 single crochet for each stitch. Slip stitch, chain 1, pull and cut the yarn. Now grab your needle and insert the yarn, hide and sew the excess yarn. There you go, we have a hat for the summer. Thank you for watching and see you for the next project.